This video will go through the steps in order to submit a test accommodations request form. The test accommodations request form should be submitted by any student wishing to take a test, quiz, or exam with accommodations in the Academic Support and Access Center. Start by visiting the ASAC homepage, and under Request a Service, please select Test Accommodation Request. This link will take you to the Test Accommodations Request form. Here is the main menu of the Student Test Accommodations Request system. Students can use this system to schedule a regular semester test or quiz, schedule a final exam, view submitted test requests, and view approved accommodations. For comprehensive exams, math placement exams, or to schedule a test or final exam for an incomplete in a previous course, please contact the Academic Support and Access Center to make arrangements. When you are ready to get started, please select Schedule a test, midterm, or quiz, or schedule a final exam from the tabs above. You will be asked to log in using your AU portal username and password. In this video, we will be scheduling a test, midterm, or quiz. Here is where you will be asked to log in with your AU username and password. Once you are logged in with your username and password, you will be directed to the home screen of the Test Accommodations Request system. This will guide you through the process of requesting to take a test with accommodations in the ASAC. Please remember that this form must be completed at least 1 week in advance of a scheduled in-class test date. For late requests, please contact the ASAC as soon as possible to discuss potential arrangements for your test. The office's ability to fulfill the late requests is contingent upon available space. Before you get started, make sure you have the course name and number for which you are scheduling a test or quiz, and the date, start time, and duration of the in-class test or quiz. When you are ready to get started, click Next, located at the bottom right side of the page. Select a course. Please select the course you would like to schedule a test for from the list below. Only your courses will appear in the drop-down menu. Once you have selected the course, please click Next. Class test date and time. Please specify the date and time the in-class test or quiz will take place. Enter or select the time your class is taking the test or quiz, and the length of the test or quiz. When you are ready to move forward, click Next. Confirming instructor information. Your instructor information will automatically populate in this field. You must confirm that the instructor name and email address are correct. The next page will prompt you to choose your accommodations. Listed on this screen will be your accommodations that have been approved by your ASAC counselor. Only select the accommodations you plan to use for the specific test you are scheduling. Selecting your test time. The test times below are available for students to take their tests with accommodations in the ASAC based on the student's class schedule. If none of the provided times work with the student's schedule, they should call or email the ASAC as soon as possible. We always encourage students to take their exams at the same time as the class. Once you have selected a test time, please click Next. Confirm and complete. Please verify that the date and time are correct. Once you hit submit, the information will be sent to your professor. If everything is correct, please check that you acknowledge the information you are submitting is correct to the best of your knowledge, and then submit the form. Once you have been redirected to this page, that means your request is complete and the information has been sent to your instructor. If you have any questions before, during, or after completing the test request form, do not hesitate to contact the testing office in the ASAC. We can be reached at exams@american.edu or by phone at 202-885-3489. The accommodations coordinator and graduate assistants are always happy to help.